Hey everyone, it's Sam here. So I thought I'd change things up a bit and show my face. You always see my hands, but I thought I'm going to do this launch this way, and I think it's much better. It's a lovely day outside, people are cutting their grass, and I'm here launching Christmas in July. I never thought I'd do this. This is actually the first Made to Surprise Christmas in July launch, and it's a pretty special one. Now bearing in mind this is just an editions launch, it's like a mini launch. I do have another Christmas collection launching next month, and that's a collection that some of you have seen before, but we've changed it up a little bit. But if you love 3D cards, something a bit special, more of a keepsake, then I think you're going to love this collection. So I'm going to get right into it. If you remember this die set, this is the 3D stand and display card set. This was incredibly popular and it's sold out and it's been out of stock for a while, so it's now back in stock. So if you miss out on it, now's your chance to grab it, and this works with anything you've already got in your stash. It's a really good scene builder, any theme, any occasion. It's very, very popular. If you have this set, you will be pleased to know that I have released 4 new edition sets with a Christmas theme. There are elements in each one as well that could work outside of Christmas, and I'll talk about that in a bit more detail in a minute. But these are 4 new ones. So you've got your North Pole. Make sure I get this in shot properly if I come that side. There we go. So you can see you've got 23 dies in that one, everything you need to make your 3D card. However, if you don't have that die set and you don't want the 3D look, you can use these dies on their own. So they make great rocker cards, shaker cards, circular cards. You could add them as a topper on a fun fold, add them in the middle of some of my showstopper cards. So there's lots more you can do with just this die set as well. You don't have to have all the other bits that come with it. You can get a sentiment in each one as well. You get all the elements there to build up the cute little penguin. You've got the little sign there. There's also a little walrus. Very, very cute. I'm going to show samples using each of these in a moment. One of my favourite ones is this one here. This is the beautiful Wreath. So you've got these flowers, you can build up the gorgeous poinsettia flowers there. You've got that beautiful bow. Try and get the spotlight from my light out of the way there. And then the sentiment on that one, have a holly jolly Christmas. You've got the robin, you've got the cardinal bird there as well. Just a really, really lovely set. This is also a good example of one that could be used outside of Christmas. You could change those flowers into any other colour. It could be a really pretty spring floral wreath, summer wreath, autumnal wreath. I think you'll definitely see me using this in, other seasons. Then, to be honest, I keep saying the favourite, this one, yeah, they're all they're amazing. I love them. This is the Gingerbread House. So you can see we've got this really cool house shape. So again, take away all the Christmas elements. This could be turned into a new home card as well. I think that would look quite cool. Maybe someone's starting school. You can make it look like their school. I don't know. We make all cards for all occasions, so there's some ideas there. But you've got your gingerbread family there, and then you've got all your sweets. You've got the snow on the roof, you've got candy canes. The sentiment there, have a sweet Christmas. You've got little swirls, the windows, the door. Really, really fun set to use. And then this one. If you're in my Facebook groups, then you will know I've never been one for gnomes and gonks and things like that. I had one gnome in one of my collections, which I actually used in a lot of these, this particular card shape. This one's got some gonks in it. So this is your, what one is this? Snow globe. So you see you've got that gorgeous rope effect frame with the bow, and then you've got your little gonks there that you can build up, which are very, very cute. And this sentiment is, can't read it back to front. What have I got here? May your days be merry and bright. You can just use the houses on their own. I've actually got a sample using that. And then Gemma, who's on my design team, she's made a beautiful card using the gonks, and she's used like pinks and blues and turquoise and stuff. It looks lovely. You've got some trees there. You've got your snowflakes. You've got the rolling hills. And then you've got that lovely base die as well. This will go onto the base of the die, but you can use that to make this as a flat style of this card as well. So there'll be loads of inspiration. You're probably going to need between now and Christmas to make the cards because they're pretty detailed ones. These are not your quick cards. These are, like I said, your keepsakes, special occasions. You can turn them into a gift box. You can put a little present inside. I've got batteries in a lot of mine, so it's a great place to hide the battery pack. It's just a really good all-rounder, which is why it's been so popular. So let me show you the gorgeous samples, and I'm going to be doing a demo at, if you're watching this today, Friday, the 5th of July, I will be live over on Craft Stash Facebook page at 11 AM BST. I will share that information in the description box below. If you're watching this after that time, you'll be able to find it on catch up so you can watch it back. But I'm going to do one card in that demo because it will take the whole time that I'm live to make that card. And I think I'm going to be using the gongs for that one as well. So let's let me just turn on the lights. So first one I'm going to show you is the wreath. So I've made this beautiful card, and you can see the robin is surrounded by all those pretty little rice lights. I've done tutorials for all of my samples, and Gemma, she usually shows some tutorials as well on her channel. She's Gemma Lee Crafts on YouTube, so make sure you check hers out. Isn't that stunning? So you can see all that dimension there. You've got your space on the back there to be able to write your message. You can see that lovely sentiment with the gold mirrored card there. And then those stunning flowers. Got the little pine cones in there, little gold sprigs, and all of the holly leaves as well. It's just, yeah, beautiful, absolutely lovely. This one I'm going to be giving to my Nan because she loves red, she loves robins, and she loves poinsettia flowers. So that is for Nan. Then this is the one that I was saying about just using the houses. It makes a beautiful card, and you can see here, forget the glare, there we go. Oh, try and keep that away. It's just going to keep hitting my lamp. If I just move that away, there we go. Actually, you can see. So what I tried to do with this one is make sure that I got the rice lights so they hit behind the houses, and then I just packed a load of them at the bottom so you've got that lovely glow. And then I used my bubbles embossing folder in the background, and you can see the other snowflakes, and then there's that gorgeous embossing detail on the frame there and the bottom. So there's no sentiment on this one, so you can also make them as just nice, maybe like a little bit of home decor, maybe something in your craft room. Really, really pretty. I did mention that you don't always have to use them with the 3D die set, like the mechanism. Gemma has made this really fun rocker card. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to show this off well enough when it's this way up. So if I just start it up there. So as it rocks, the penguin slides along. But obviously, because I'm holding this up, it doesn't, you know, probably give it justice. But yeah, fun rocker cards. I've got tutorials making these. I'm hoping Gemma does a tutorial for this particular one because I think it's very fun. But you can see the very cute little penguins there from the set. You've got the igloo, the little walrus there, fishing rod. You've got the polar bears in the background. She made that lovely inky skyline there. And then that sentiment, that's from my Christmas collection last year. And then these are some of the presents as well. Isn't that cute? Absolutely love that card. And then here is another fun one, and this one is a shaker, and it's all lit up as well. So that's using the same die set. So there you go, two lovely cards using the same set, one very 3D, and then that other one with that kinetic kind of rocker part to it. You see the sentiment there, have a cool Yule, and just how it's all lit up. And I took some lovely photos of these all on my shelf, and they looked really nice with all the lights showing. Another alternative as well is Gemma's done this one where she's got the lights inside with some vellum behind there, which I think looks wonderful. And then she's used the pine cones with the gold, so you can see the embossed detail, whereas I used it as a stencil and I used the brown. I'll do it that way. So again, just loads of different ways. Where is it? There we go. You can just see at the top there. So different ways to use the dies as well. That's wonderful. Really, really pretty. Another one Gemma's done, the gonks. This is so pretty. It's adorable. Look at all the sparkle. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely love that. I love the way that she's inked them all up to make them more 3D. You've got the dimension with the sentiment there as well. Gorgeous card. And then another one that she's done using the penguins is this one here. Again, no lights, no acetate, still looks lovely. So you don't have to go really detailed with them. I think, yeah, very cool. On that one there, she's used a stencil to bring out the detail there as well. And then I've done this one here, which is pretty special. And this is the gingerbread house. So like I said, these aren't fast cards. This took me a day to make. I had to wait for all of this to dry. This was actually overnight. This is the snow text. It's fantastic stuff. And it gives a really good snow effect. And then I just built up. It's got the lights inside. You've got the little gingerbread family inside there. And then all of that detail on the front with the candy canes and the lollipops and everything. Very, very cool. And then Gemma's done one with the pinks. And she's used the acetate on the front, done it slightly different. And I think it still looks good. She's used like glaze on the sweets there. And she's used like Nouveau drops to create dimension and lots of little dots and stuff around the door and everything there, which I think looks great. Excuse the lawnmower, you can probably faintly hear in the background. And then another card just to show you ways to use it without the main mechanism. This is a lovely shaker easel card. See all the snow, and this is what Gemma's made, and that's held up there with the bow, and then she's used white card with the flowers, which looks stunning. And I just, yeah, I love what she's done with that one. She's heat embossed with white on the frame there to give you a different look. So yeah, so those are all the samples. I will be showing them all again during the live over on Facebook. Like I said, that information will all be shared below. All of this product is now available over on Craft Stash. You can find it by clicking one of these ones here, but it will also be individually linked in the description box below. And yeah, thank you as always for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and look out for all the tutorials as well coming soon. See ya, bye.